G'day folks, Ben from Snowy's today showing you the TOAKS alcohol stove cook system with 650ml pot.
Hit it.
This alcohol stove cook system weighs in at just under 150 grams. It includes a pot support, windshield burner and a spork made of high-grade titanium, perfect for the ultra lightweight hiker. Before we dive in, we've got loads more content like this on our channel, so make sure you like and subscribe below. Now let's jump into the product. This is TOAKS titanium alcohol stove cook system with a 650ml pot, all packed up inside its bag here. Weighs about 148 grams, measures about 11 centimeters in height and about 10 centimeters in diameter. All contained inside here is everything you need to cook, boil water. It's a cup size pot that it all goes in, and it also fits inside their 1100ml cookware, and you can also fit a 450ml cup inside of here. So TOAKS stuff's all made to be quite universal, so you can have multiple pots and cups and everything all in one. Now I'll show you what comes inside. Firstly, it's in this sort of semi-padded, nice neat little bag here. Feels quite well made. It's going to protect this in the bag. 650ml pot with folding handle. So this is a mug slash pot with a lid on it. And then inside is everything you need to set it up as a stove. Now this is a little windscreen or wind protector. This doesn't quite fit in lengthways neatly. Might be able to put that on the outside, but that just causes the lid to sit up just a little bit, but once it's in the bag, that all squashes down together. That's our windshield. Here we have got a spork, so there's a little fork included. This is the titanium alcohol burning stove that comes with it. Now we've got a separate video where we light one of these guys up, but that is the burning element. This weighs 20 grams by itself. Put your metho in there, and that's what creates the flame to cook your stuff on. Little support here that you use in conjunction with the windshield. We'll show you how all that works shortly. And that's also your pot stand for on top. So we'll set this up now and we'll include everything. Firstly though, the spork that comes with it, because this is just a bonus that fits inside. So folding titanium spork here. We've got other videos on these as well. Slide this forward, that locks up like that, and you've got yourself a spork. Folds in half so that it fits inside the cook set when it's all packed up. And then we'll cover off on this one quickly. 650ml mug. It's got a handle on the side here so you can grab it nice and easily. Little support for your bottom finger there. 650ml of capacity with measurements on the side, all titanium, and a lid on top with a little spot for steam and a little tab on top so you can lift the lid on and off nice and easily. So nice way to cook small meals for one. But setting up the stove itself, let's get started on this one. Now this is I'm gonna be careful with this. This is a really thin titanium windshield. Now this is a little bit fiddly to use. It's also quite sharp. It's titanium, only weighs 14 grams. So you've got really sharp edges on there. It's really thin. Now, what I'd probably recommend you do is roll this backwards just to sort of get it to relax a little bit, because it's got a memory of being rolled up like this. So if I just roll this over just to get it to open up a little bit, and we just can use this to place loosely around the outside of the stove. You've got little breathing holes down there to let some air in. This would just sit around the stove like this. Probably beneficial if you've got a few rocks. It's really, really light, so you don't need some very lightweight rocks just to hold that in place, and it's going to stop the wind from getting to your stove. So that would wrap around your stove while you're cooking. But this little mesh element here, now this is a stainless steel element. This is your pot support, so really lightweight pot support. Your alcohol burning stove goes inside there. Then your pot sits on top, then you can use this around the outside like that. So get that set up, wrap this around the outside. You've got an entire stove and pot cook system with almost no moving parts. It's going to last you a lifetime. The weighs in at 150 grams. That is TOAKS alcohol stove cook system with 650ml pot. Really, really simple system. Includes a spork as well. Ultra lightweight, hardly any moving parts. So if you're an ultra lightweight hiker, or you're looking for something that's just going to last you a lifetime because there's nothing that can really break on it, check this guy out. It's going to be able to cook your really basic food in the outback or in the wilderness. Really quiet in operation. Check out our other video on how the burner works inside there, or grab yours online at snowys.com.au.